Hello, families and students. I just wanted to give you a quick update for week one. I'm so excited to have met your children, and it's been a great week, um, albeit a little bit difficult with the distance learning and some of the tech issues, but we've muddled through, and I can honestly say I just love all of my students, and I've really enjoyed the brief moments I've had to get to know them this week. I'm going to give you a few bits of information as to what we did this week. First of all, you can always go to Schoology to find information. So just wanted you to know that the students have access to quite a bit of information on Schoology. I always post on the assignments, and then when you click on it, you will also see all the information that is needed, as well as the rubric, and then the links that help you with that information. In addition to that, I have the folders where the slides are there if they want to go through them. Course info is there, my contact info. And then I go by unit for the assignments. So I do unit and then the week with an intro, and then by day. So if students are ever absent or needing a piece of information, they can always go to that day. And then it will be task 1, task 2, task 3, and everything is linked. Okay, I'll just go through a couple of the slides so you can see what we've been doing this week. I'll start back here because the slides are at the beginning, which are the ones for that day. But this is our first day, which was either Tuesday or Wednesday. And so we introduced ourselves to each other. I talked about some of the e-learning norms that Mr. Erickson had put out there. Then they got a chance to talk a little bit about themselves in a Google form, and then also about themselves and their classmates in a Flipgrid, which is a video recording of themselves on a platform, and it looks something like this. So you can see they've all posted little pieces of information about themselves with a selfie, and the instructions were there to create a 30 to 1 minute video, 30-second to 1 minute video. So that's what that was about, and that's called Flipgrid, and so we'll use that this year. Then today, I'll go to today's agenda. I always start with the agenda and tell them how I'm going to be taking attendance and what our learning activities are, what the homework is. So we just discussed their Flipgrid response from the previous day. I introduced a new unit about Humans of New York, and they had to write a response to that, a little reading, and then they're creating their own, which we're calling Minnetonka, Humans of Minnetonka, and they're to post that with a picture with their writing on the discussion board by either Monday or Tuesday, depending on if it's an A day or B day. So that is really the info for my class. I look forward to meeting you all on Meet the Teacher Night. I think it's September 22nd. If you have any questions or specific needs about your child, please let me know. You can either email me at lisa.lewis@mtka.org, or you can have your child message me on Schoology, or you can return an email back to the one that I'm sending this video with. So have a great weekend. It's been a joy to get to know your children, and I look forward to meeting you all in the future.